What's up, everybody? Matt Quirked here with Get Quirked Digital Marketing Consultancy, and today I'm going to walk you through a very simple and yet elegant funnel that you can use with your content to provide even more value to people who are connected with you on social media, watching videos of you on YouTube. In this case, it's YouTube. And then turn those people into valuable customers. And so you can continue to provide more value. So stick around to the very end. We have a very special offer about our Ultimate Offer Blueprint coaching program. Stay tuned. All right, welcome back. As you can see on the screen here, we have a little funnel system, and I'm going to walk through each part of this as we go through. I'm going to move a little fast, but if you do have questions or comments, please leave them below the video. And as always, if you like this and find it valuable and helpful, give that little thumbs up guy there on the video. Share it with people you know. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe. We do release videos weekly, and you will find a lot of content and a lot of value here. And I would love to be the one to provide that for you. So thank you, and let's get into it. So as you see here, everything kind of starts with traffic. Traffic can mean pretty much anything. This can be your email list. This can be connections on certain platforms like Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, blah, blah, blah. It doesn't really matter. So in this instance, we're going to walk through and I'm going to show you exactly what we've done to create about 200 new leads over the past 12 months. And all we had to do was put up a couple videos on YouTube and then build this little funnel system, and it gets us a lot of leads. Now, recently, we just monetized this, and so it's even making us money. And again, we're not really having to do anything. So this is awesome. Our traffic sources tend to start with people we're connected with or organic traffic. Organic meaning they found us by searching something online. We did not pay any money to get in front of them. So the majority of these leads, actually all just about 200 of them, came in organically because they were searching for something on YouTube. And in case you guys are wondering, just real quickly, this little diagram tool, it's a free tool. It's called draw.io. Shameless plug. I am not affiliated with them in any way, shape, or form. I just actually love this tool. Integrates with Dropbox, integrates with Google Drive, any tool you could possibly want. It's great. So our traffic source comes in organically. We drive them to YouTube videos, which are, it's YouTube and it's actually driving them. We don't even do anything to get them there except optimize the videos to be found. We present value in the videos. We drive them to a link within the video and in the description to a download of some kind. In this case, it is a guide to get started with your business on Facebook. And then that creates a happy business owner. We have almost 200 leads in this sequence, and all of them are business owners in some right. Some are just getting started. Some are well equipped and well set up with their business. They're just trying to learn how to get on the social media chain. This then brings them into a short little email sequence that makes an offer, and either they choose to take that offer and they become a customer, or they don't choose to do that, and we drop them into our goodwill and value emails newsletter list. So we'll send out emails a couple times a month, provide as much value and opinions on marketing and action items for them to take as we can, and then eventually we'll come back to them and make them another offer. But the whole point of this is that we are now getting leads organically by doing very little work, maybe 2 hours of work in total, and that's it. So this little sequence can make you a lot of money. Of those 200 leads, we have converted about 25 of them to be a customer. And again, we've done really nothing. This is all an automated sequence. So now it's all about continuing to provide or build goodwill and provide value through our newsletter emails. And it's that simple. We love doing this. We love providing value. Those that typically take action on this offer that we present them with are the ones that need it right now. So the reason we present this goodwill and value email series on a couple times a month basis is so that we can build that rapport. We want to attract more people that we can get to know and hopefully they like us, hopefully they trust us, and then they become that happy customer, not just a happy business owner with something to do. So this is absolutely amazing. I hope you found this video valuable. I hope you found this helpful. Again, if you have questions, drop them down there in the comments. Me or my team will get back to you as quick as possible. And if you want to become a customer and learn how to do this yourself, we have a group coaching program, and that is all about taking an offer that you already have that has done pretty good in the past. We'll optimize it with you. We'll teach you the ways to get back in front of your right customers, your best buyers, as we call them, and build that best offer so that you can get people in on the front end. Then you get them with a back-end offer that can maximize the value that you can provide for them. And then eventually we turn them into that raving fan that can create a referral system for you, all wrapped into a 6-week program. That program is our Ultimate Offer Blueprint group coaching program. It's 6 weeks of doing the stuff, but you're with us forever. This is not a community that's going to die. This is not, hey, we've got you for 6 weeks, we've got your money, and you're going away. No. We're in this for the long haul. All right, so you're going to get 6 weeks of group coaching in the program, but again, we're always here for you. We get a live call every single week. We are always on call. The Get Quirked team here is always on call for you, whether that is through email, via the live calls, hitting us up on Messenger, anything. We're always here for you. Now, some of these bonuses are really valuable. I'll put the link to this special offer page in the description below. I'll also create a card for it, so you'll see it here in the video. But our first thing is you're going to get access to our private Facebook group. This is really going to add even more value, even more touch points for you, for all of the lessons that we learn every single week. If you have questions to get answered, if you need help in any area that we cover in that 6-week program, again, you're going to have access to this. It's lifetime access. You're not just joining for 6 weeks and we close the group. We're in this for the long haul. We want to help your business succeed and grow. And as you hit walls, we want to help you break through them. Our automated growth system, this is actually going to take what we teach you and build it into a repeatable system so that you can actually continue to close new business or get new leads on autopilot, so to speak. So there's a little bit of work involved, but once it's there and working, it's pretty much working on its own. The LinkedIn Business Growth Accelerator is part of that automated growth system. It's one network where we're really focused on right now. LinkedIn and YouTube are really our two big networks. We're getting a lot of leads through LinkedIn. We're getting a lot of great connections with other business owners who actually need this help with getting focused in their business and really identifying and honing in on their best offers. So we're going to give you that Growth Accelerator program for LinkedIn. And then our last two items here, our high converting landing page. We're actually going to create the high converting landing page for you. It's a lot simpler than people might think. It's not something fancy, but it gets the job done and it works with all of our clients because this is what we use for all of our clients. So we'll actually build this for you, or if you've got a team that can implement it, we'll give you the template and help your team implement it if they have any questions. And lastly, this is what I'm super excited about because this is what I love to do. We're going to give you 6 one-on-one private coaching sessions where you work one-on-one with me. Yep, Matt Quirk, founder and owner and lead strategist here at Get Quirked, to get you past any barriers that you're facing, help you build those successful systems around your best offer so that you're not working 10x harder to achieve the 10x results we want for you. So that's everything with the offer. Again, we're only offering this until December 31st, 2018, because we're kicking off that first full week of January. On January 7th is actually when our first call is. So please take us up on this offer. If you don't, I cannot guarantee that you'll ever have something like this again. You'll likely have to buy each one of those bonus items on their own because this is just a special offer. It's the end of the year. I'm feeling really grateful for everybody. I really want to bring the value as much as I can. And we just can't offer this all the time. I personally don't have the time to give everybody 1 hour every single week. So it's going to be very, very limited to this first go round. And after that, you got to pay $5,000 to do it. So You've got that. You've got our high converting landing page. So just with those two alone, you're looking at $8,500 value. And then with our LinkedIn Business Growth Accelerator, automated growth system, and private Facebook group, you're all in all with the whole program, you're looking at just shy of $15,000 of value that we're only charging $1,997 for. So $1,997. This is an investment into your future, into the future of your business. We hope to be a part of it. And thank you so much for watching. Again, if you like this video, hit that like button below. Hit that subscribe if you're not subscribed. And if you haven't shared this with your friends and family yet, and people in your community, then please do so, because I want to provide as many people this value as possible. Thanks a lot. We'll talk to you next time.